China have done the seemingly unthinkable and banned financial institutions from handling Bitcoin. I'm Monica Gibson with Thursday's Press Review. Markets have been shaken up this morning as the PBOC announced a formal stance against Bitcoin in a move to regulate the virtual currency after an 89-fold jump in its value sparked a surge of investor interest in the country. In a statement, the central bank said Bitcoin isn't a currency with real meaning and doesn't have the same legal status as a currency. Bitcoin traded at $970.62 a piece at 4:44 p.m. Shanghai time on Bitstamp, an internet-based exchange where the currency is traded for dollars, euros and other currencies. Prices slid to 5790 yuan on BTC China after trading as high as 7051. Now, despite the prices being high, they are unsustainable, according to some skeptics who remain adamant the virtual money isn't currency. Alan Greenspan, for one, said it's a bubble. It has to have intrinsic value. You have to really stretch your imagination to infer what the intrinsic value of Bitcoin is. I haven't been able to do it, maybe somebody else can. Now, the growth of Bitcoin in China has come amid speculation that regulators may halt trading after police arrested 3 people on suspicion of stealing money from investors through a fake online exchange. Despite the knee-jerk reaction from traders, the PBOC's announcement seems to have taken more as a warning, given that individuals are still allowed to trade the so-called cryptocurrency. Indeed, many analysts believe this is merely a first step by the central bank to eventually give the coin legal weight. The CEO of one of the largest Bitcoin exchanges in the country said, "We're happy to see the government start regulating the Bitcoin exchanges." He added regulations would be for the good of the consumer. Well, that's all for today's press review, but not the end of the Bitcoin story. And of course, the TV team will keep you up to date with the very latest. Also, stick with us today for the Central Bank Day as we bring you the latest market reaction from the BOE and ECB press conferences and the US GDP figures. But from me and from now, it's goodbye.